know that that will make the cut. Okay guys, welcome to another Catch Pro film. Today, doing these motorbike jumps. So the owner wants all these jumps cleared. This is one that we haven't got to yet. But we've been really putting the zero turns, the stand-ons, the sit-downs to the test. BJ's had a few close calls. Russell's definitely pushed the limits. Mayday, mayday! It was actually bound to happen. Going back off? Yeah, right. We found an extra little ski jump. Wow. Hang on.
Oh, that's why.
PTO switch.
I think your fucking Scag wouldn't do that to me.
now we're jumping on the snippers. Everything that we couldn't get with the mowers, we've got to drop now just to tidy it up with the snippers, but we've done a pretty good job of getting the bulkiness. Okay, so we're sort of on the last leg of what we've got to do, and it's 12:30, so we're making all right time. We have to knock down all the little tree suckers that have come up through these jumps, obviously, so the guys, when they come here on their motorbikes, they don't want, I mean, some of the ones that are on the side will leave, but as you can see over here, it gets pretty dense. There's a few trees, so we're going to try and work in a 3-man team. Rusty's he's already started. He's gonna drop the trees, and me and BJ, sorry, we've got a can of paint here. We're gonna paint the stuff so we know where they are, and we'll drag them out into piles. At Greenscapes Solutions, we don't typically do a ton of chainsawing. We have a bunch of different chainsaws, mostly just for pruning to make things life a little bit easier. So people are looking why we're using combinations of pole saws and stuff like that. At the moment today, that's kind of what's the sharpest. Alright, we're just about done. And it's 3 o'clock in the arvo, so it's, yeah, pretty much done time. But this is sort of the finished result. So where you see the blue paint is where we've had to drop a tree, and we've just made piles. I'm hoping that maybe they want to burn these piles. We're not getting rid of them, but yeah, those jumps out there in the distance, and then panning through this way, all of this whole section here, which is the big one. That leads us back down through here, and it snakes around again on the other side. So we definitely took the stand-ons to the limit. Like I feel so much more comfortable on there now. I'm sure some of it looked a little dodgy, but I felt pretty good, and it really made me appreciate what you can actually do with these things. Here's the boys getting ready to pack it up, and nothing broke down really today, so that's pretty cool. The chainsaws were a little bit of a letdown. They're a little bit blunt, but we've got probably 1 or 2 more trees that will come back next week and hit. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed our fun day. So thank you for watching.